At dahil nag-crave ako ng fluffy Japanese pancake for breakfast, ito kasi di ko siya ma-achieve na lutuin. Niyaya ko ang aking asawa dito sa Gasto. Dahil gusto ko pancake, from toast bread, we'll go for pancake. Siyempre, with ketchup yan. Next, acceleration. Gusto ko sunny side up. Add to cart. How about you, Han? What's the number? 505. 505. Okay. And toast bread. Toast bread. Okay. Next. So, toast tayo, diba? Next. With jam? No jam. With jam. Next. And with ketchup, for sure. And ano pa? Ano pa yung isa?
Wala, dalawa na naman yun.
Ano yung 108 mo?
Bread nga yun.
Ayun. Next. Without selection. Add to cart. And yan. Okay. Ay. Wala tayong order history. View cart lang. Okay. Confirm order. So, ayan. Okay. While waiting for our order, andito ang kanilang drink bar. Dito din ang mga tea selections nila. And ang aking asawa ay kasalukuyang hot cocoa. Ichigo ole yan eh, hindi hot cocoa.
Okay.
Okay. Ichigo ole, strawberry ole.
Yes, why
Okay.
not? Wow.
And then press.
Wow.
3, 2, 1. And your strawberry ole. Ako nga, Han, flex natin, is ready. Meron din silang morning soup. What's their morning soup? Ay, ano to sa tingin mo, Han?
Onion corn?
Onion and corn. Ikaw din ba?
Oh.
Wait lang. Gusto ko siya may pepper. Just a little dash of pepper. And for me, I'll go for blend coffee. Ay, sentro natin. Ang messy, no? Tumalsik-talsik. Milk for my coffee. 14344. Picture sa
Strawberry.
Manuel. Tama-tama lang.
Oh, strawberry.
Ako talaga kapte.
Soup.
For me, I'll wait for your order. Your order is coming soon. Okay, honey. kaya mo yan. Abutin mo yung ketchup. Ay. Ano yan? Pabilog.
Whatever. Salad first.
Okay, thanks.
Bread pala.
Habang mainit pa yung
Bread.
bread. And here comes my order. Thank you, honey, for assisting me. And here's my pancake. Spread na natin agad yung butter habang mainit pa ang ating pancake. This is their syrup. Pero ayoko na masyadong marami kasi too sweet. Konti lang. Actually, hanggang ganyan lang talaga ako. Little here. Konti lang. Ayoko talaga. Hirap kumuha ng anggulo, hindi tayo makahagip ng ibang tao. So hanggang dyan na lang. Enjoy na lang muna namin mag-asawa ang aming breakfast day. Thank you for watching. Till my next vlog. Second round of coffee? Ako din. Yan. Unlimited refill naman, or unlimited coffee, why not? One more bread. Sabi ng aking asawa, kaya order pa tayo ng isang, yan, toast bread. Toast bread ulit. With jam. And let's confirm. Yan na ang kanyang second order for